Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is a channel where I share my awesome and cool finds. This is a cough and cold congestion reliever. What's really cool about this is that it's a roll-on. I love roll-on things because they're so easy to carry along with you. And what's really awesome about this product is that it's 100% pure and natural essential oil, meaning this is a natural way to cure that cold, to give you a little more relief. And what it reminds me of is kind of like a Vicks, but with a bunch of essential oils. The essential oils, the main one is peppermint and wintergreen. And there's a whole bunch of other essential oils in here too, but it's completely, here it is back here. Peppermint, eucalyptus, wintergreen, rosemary, chamomile, basil, and grapeseed oil. A bunch of really amazing ingredients. And I didn't realize that this company is from Oregon. So they are like my neighbor state. No wonder I love them because they're completely natural. You should check them out at www.primenatural.usa. That is their website. I will link it down below in the description alongside of the product to get directly. This company is amazing. They make amazing products. They're completely natural, organic, and vegan. So you are getting top grade essential oils with this. And what's really great about this is, like I said, is travel size. This goes right into your pocket or purse. You know, you're having that tough day, you need a little relief. This is great. It just rubs on like a Vicks would rub on, you know. It does the exact same thing except that you're not getting any harmful ingredients. I do not trust the even Vicks. I don't even trust that because I'm sorry, but a lot of those chemicals are unheard of. This, the ingredients are right there. You are not getting anything unpure. It is completely natural. So it speaks for itself, guys. Check it out with link below for more information and or purchase. Prime Natural, they have got you. They've got you on many other things too. If you're experiencing other things that you need, check them out. They have an arrangement of amazing quality, high quality products to choose from. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.